Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of my Ipsy Glam bag Ultimate. So I'll be doing just unboxing today because I do have work and I'm about to leave maybe in 30 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna do just unboxing. I would like to try it on and play with these things that we got for this month, but I do apologize, I don't have time for that. I'm working today. But anyways, in today's video we're just gonna unbox this Ipsy Glam bag Ultimate April this month. So I'm so excited, and yeah, really excited to unbox it. What beauty product I'm gonna get for this month. Okay, this is what's look like the box. I love the color. I don't know, is it pastel pink? Not sure, but the color is so pretty. And when you open it, that's what's look like. Oops. They have these discover yourself. Okay, the first one is this Bloomifect Dutch Dirt Mask. So I don't know if, I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but anyways, I'm just gonna put the name and what the product do to our face. I'm just gonna put the text on the screen so that you know what's this face mask for. And yeah, this is the first face. And yeah, this is the first. Ooh, I like the color. It says Dutch Dirt Mask. Ooh, beautiful packaging though. Ang ganda ng ano niya. I love the packaging. I like the color. I don't know what colors, like light blue. It gave those a little shiny, shimmery packaging. Really cute packaging. So this is what's look like. Okay, second is the Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner in black. Ooh, I love eyeliner. And this is from Tarte. Really cute packaging too. Oh, they have purple here. And this is the other side of the box. Super cute. I love. Oh, it's double. Yeah, yes. The other side is kind of like a pencil, and the other side it's the liquid, the one that I love. I love liquid. I don't know how to use pencil eyeliner though, and I'm having trouble using it. Maybe because it's just me, I'm like not get used to it. So this is what's look like the packaging, guys. So really pretty. Really pretty packaging. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I love liquid eyeliner. Wow, I'm really excited about this Tarte Double Take Eyeliner in black. They call it Double Take Eyeliner in black because it's double. They have pen in both sides. So yay, I'm so excited, and I love the packaging though. Really nice packaging, super shiny. I like how they do the packaging. Tarte, really nice packaging. And okay, let's move on. Third is the Girl Lac Thick Beauty Jello Gloss Balm. Oh, this is the lip balm. Oh, another cute packaging. It's so cute. I keep looking in the watch because I'm about to leave. I just wanna do an unboxing today so that when I got home tonight I can edit it right away. It is super cute packaging. This is what look like the packaging. Super cute packaging. Really cute one. And hold on guys, I forgot my coffee. So let's drink coffee, guys. Super cute mug though. I didn't pay attention as much as my background yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so that we can see what's the packaging looks like. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at the color. Really cute color. It's pink, super cute. I love the color. Oh, it smells, you know, the smells is remind me the bubble gum. That's why I'm smell like a strawberry bubble gum. It smells really good. Ooh, this is perfect. I'm gonna take it with me for work. This is what it look like, guys. Cute, really cute lip balm. It smells really good. It smells candy. Okay. What time is it? 11:28 in the morning. So next is this Dose of Color Liquid Matte Lipstick on Old Flame. Yes, Dose of Color Liquid Matte Dose of Color Liquid Matte Lipstick on Old Flame. Oh, I love this brand. I have so many this brand lipstick that some of them I haven't touched it yet, because this brand is really good, especially in matte lipstick. This is what look like the packaging, guys. Let's open it. Let's see what look like the lipstick. I love this brand, really nice brand. So this is the packaging, guys. My camera is not cooperating when I try to show the product. It doesn't focus at all. But anyways, this is what look like the packaging. Sometimes I don't know. So this is what look like the packaging, guys. Let's swatch it into our wrist. What's the color looks like? Ooh, oh, that's pretty. I like it. I think it's pretty color. Oh, it's orange. So okay, I don't have this color yet of this brand. I think I have 5 Dose of Colors lipstick, that some of them I haven't touched it yet because I don't know, I forgot about it. It's been sitting on the drawer for a long time. So this is what it look like the color, guys. Oh, I'm excited. I love that color. Really pretty color though. What does this color says? Old Flame, the shades. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna drink another coffee. I love coffee. And okay, last one. We're almost there, guys. Last one is this Star Skin BIP Creamly. Oh, that's so long. The name is so okay. Star BIP Cream de la Cream Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face and the Diamond Must. There you go. Whoa, that's a long name. Oh, again, I do love mask. I do love mask. I use face mask like twice a week because I love face mask. After you put it into your skin, give those cold feeling that actually go inside your skin. That feels you so relaxed when you're lying down. Oh, I'm about to fall asleep. When I'm putting face mask on my face, I set it for 15 minutes and lie down on my bed, and I feel like, oh, I'm about to fall asleep. That's why I feel every time I do face mask, it's really good into our face too. So I got two face masks. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this face mask. So this is the 2 face masks that we got for this Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm so excited. And then they have as well instruction how to put your face mask, but anyways, all face masks is the same. Just put it on to your face and leave it for maybe it says here 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna try it tonight. I have to try it tonight so that my skin more relax. And I literally forgot the last one. So I thought it's the, what do you call it? I thought the face mask is the last one, but I forgot. I forgot this cute bag that they always attach in the box. So this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. very pretty pouch. And I like this one that you can like hold it like that, super cute. I don't know, it's like, it's a wood. It is a wood, really pretty bag. And then when you open it, I almost forgot this. Ta-da! Very cute. Not too small, not too big, so you can fit a lot of this bag. See, that's what it look like. Just put the face mask in, the lipstick, lip gloss, liquid eyeliner that we got for today, and yeah, so it fit everything inside. So really pretty. And oh, when you use this, when you do the zipper, super cute. Little pouch. I love the color. Oh, by the way, it's almost matches my nail polish. By the way, I just painted the other night, so I like it. It's cute, green. So yeah, almost forgot that. Super cute little pouch. Super cute for little things that you want to carry with you to your bag. So yeah, oh my god, I like the texture. Really soft, really soft one. But anyways, okay, that's it for today's unboxing video, guys. Hope you enjoy this unboxing. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new videos. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I will see you on my next one. Bye.